Good morning, dear friends. Welcome to Gurudeva online classes. Dear friend, in last class, I had completed first chapter, that is the rational number. Now I am going to start next lesson in mathematics, that is the linear equation. Dear friend, as you know, in last year we studied about algebraic expression. We have solved so many problems that is belongs to algebraic expressions. We know expression, we know terms, we know constant, we know coefficient. These all things we have studied in 7th standard. In today's class, I am going to take linear equation. What is the mean by linear equation? First of all, I want to recall some points about algebraic expressions. See, first one, algebraic expression. Any expression involving constant, variables and some operation. Some operation mean addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. is called algebraic expression. Okay. For example, see here. This is the 7n plus 2 is equal to 9. See, this is these three are terms. Okay, these three we will call terms. This is the RHS side and these two terms are LHS side. Okay, here 2 is the constant. There is no variables. If variable present mean, that is not a constant. If only single numbers mean, that is the constant. This is, we can say, constant. This is the constant. Next here 7n. Here n is the variable. N is the variables n attached with 7. This is the coefficient. Okay, coefficient. Okay, here we have plus. This is the operations. Which expressions belongs coefficient, variables, constant and some operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, that is we will call algebraic expression. Okay, dear friend, now equation. When two expressions are equal mean, that is we will call equation. Okay, these are the some basic points we are studied in 7th standard. Now I am going to take here linear equation. What is the mean by linear equation? Let us see some important points about linear equations. Okay, dear friend, next point, that is the linear expression. Dear friend, a linear expression is an expression whose highest power of the variable is 1 only. That is we will call linear expression. Linear expression mean a linear expression is an expression whose highest power of variables is 1 only. That is we can say linear expression. For example, see here, I will give here some examples whose highest power is only 1. See, 2x plus 1. Here variables power only 1 and 3y. Here also only 1 highest power. Then we can say these all linear expressions. Okay, dear friend. Next point I am taking here linear equation in one variable. Next point, that is the linear equation in one variables. Dear friend, if there is only one variable in the equation, if there is only one variables in the equation, then it is said to be linear equation in one variables. Okay, we can write this point like this. If there is only one variable, only one variable in the equation, then said to be a linear equation in one variable, general form is ax plus b is equal to c, where a, b and c are real numbers and a does not equal to 0. For example, we can write here x plus 5 is equal to 10. This is the example. Dear friend, write down this point in the notes. This equation, we can say only one variable in this equation, because the highest power of the variables is only one. Then we can say this is the linear equation in one variables. Dear friend, in this equation we have two parts. One is the LHS part and second one is the RHS part. Here we have one is the plus. This is we will call operations. Okay, dear friend, next point I am taking here graph of the linear equation in one variable. I am taking this next point, that is the graph of the linear equation in one variable. Dear friend, we can mark linear equation in one variable on the number line. How we can mark? Let us see an example. If I will take x is equal to this, x is equal to, we have to mark on the number line. Let us say I will show how we can mark x is equal to on the number line. See, if I will take here one number line. See, this is the number line, this is the negative part, and this one is the origin 0, this is the x. Okay, see, I am marking here 1, 2, 3, 4. This side -1, -2, -3, -4. Here we have x is equal to x. See, this is the x is equal to. Okay, this is the one method to mark linear equation in one variable on the number line. Okay, so next I am taking here next point, how we can solve equations. Dear student, we have two methods. First one is balancing method and second one is the transposing method. See, I will solve one example for balancing method and transposing method. Okay, these two methods also very important to solve the problems. Dear student, I am taking here first method to solving the equation. See, first one is the balancing method. Here I am taking here one example. Find the solution for 3x minus 10 is equal to 14. We have to find out here x value by using the balanced method. See, let us see solution. I will show how we can find x value. Now, first one, 3x minus 10 is equal to 14. This one we have to add here same number LHS side and RHS side. See, first I am adding here both side plus 10. See, this is the LHS side. I am adding here plus 10 and RHS side also I am adding here plus 10. Now here minus 10 plus 10 cancel. Here when we adding 14 plus 10, we are getting here 24. Here we have 3x. Again, we have to divide by 3 both side, LHS side and RHS side to get the x value. Now I am dividing here by 3. 3 get cancelled. Here 3 ones are 3 8s are. X value is 8. Okay, this is the one method to solve the equations, that is the balancing method. Next method I am taking here, that is the transposing method. I will take an example also how we can find out x values by transposing method. Okay, dear student, next method I am taking here, transposing method. Dear student, in this method we have to transfer variables and numbers from one side to another side to find out the x value. Okay, see here I am solving here an example. Find the solution for 2z plus 10 is equal to 4. Dear student, by transfer the numbers and variables from one side to another side, we have to find out here z value. Let us see solution here. 2z plus 10 is equal to 4. Now here I am transfer 10 from LHS side to RHS side. When we transposing one side to another side, this positive number will becoming as a negative number. That is becoming as a negative. Say here, when you doing the subtraction, you will getting here 2z. When you doing the subtraction, you will getting here minus 6. Next, we have to divide here 2 both side, LHS side and RHS side to get the z value. Now I am dividing here by 2 both side, LHS side and RHS side. Now 2 ones are 2 ones are get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 threes are. We are getting here z is equal to minus 3. This is the answer. Dear student, by using these two methods, we are going to find out here unknown values. Next, I am taking here another one small example. After that, I will continue exercise 2.1. Okay, student. Next example, find the solution of 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. See, we have to find out here x value. Let us see solution here. Here, given here, 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. Dear student, this minus 3, we have to shift from LHS to RHS. Now, I am shifting here. 2x is equal to 7 plus 3. Dear student, when you shifting one side to another side, this negative becoming as a positive. Now when we adding, we are getting here 2x is equal to 7 plus 3. When you adding, you will getting here 10. Now we have to divide here by 2 both side, LHS side and RHS side. Now I am dividing here both side 2. I am dividing here by 2 both side. 2 get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 fives are. X value is 5. This is the solution. Okay, student, in today's class I explained here some basic point about algebraic expression and I solved some example also. In tomorrow class I will start exercise 2.1. Thank you.